Hello, welcome to my demonstration of the Weenie Hut General Database. I'm Kenny Burton. Yeah, it's just me on this one. This is actually my second take of this, so hopefully this one you can hear me. I'll go ahead and share my screen. Looks like you got it now. Perfect. Okay. I'll go ahead and open up MySQL. Awesome. It's a good start. And I'm just going to show you all these tables, all 6 of them. So first we got our patient table, which I should have probably named patients, but I named it patient. There it is. As you can see, there's an SSN, which is a social security number, just a 9-digit number that was randomly pulled from the internet. Patient name is also a random name, so you'll see there's some interesting names in there, such as Harley Lowe and Bethan Crosley. I think the random name generator that I used was from the United Kingdom, in which caused some of these names to be, I guess you could say, odd. Insurance type is either covered or not covered, just to show if they can, have these surgeries, not pay for them. Obviously, date in and date out is the date they came to the hospital, the date they're leaving. If it's null, they're still there. And then the reason is why they're at the hospital. Next table, you've seen the patients. Now we see the doctors. That one I did put an S, which was smart. Once again, the social security numbers for those doctors were randomly generated, as well as the names. Once again, there's some odd ones here, such as Sidra Long and Anil Cuevas. Each doctor has a specialty, only one specialty. That's pretty common. In patients and the doctors, what kind of procedures does this hospital have? Each procedure has an ID, that's just its primary key. Those are unique to each procedure. As you can see, there was multiple people put on ventilators, which is applicable with COVID happening currently. And then the date time was used together as a single attribute, which was nice. That was a good suggestion I received. And then the results either dead or alive. I know it's kind of morbid, but there's only one person that died in this hospital, so that's pretty good. What else we got to show you? Let's see how these tables are related to each other. So let's show the patient-doctor relationship, and that's the cares for table. These are just relating the 2 primary keys, the doctor's social security number with the social security number of the patient. I could have related them based on their name, the doctor's name and the patient name, but there is actually potential if you have enough data to have people with the same name. So I didn't want that. Social security numbers are completely unique, and that's why it was used as the primary key. What else? Okay. Showed you cares for, and not performed by. And these are procedures related to the doctors that did them. So as you can see, procedure 99 was done by the doctor with social security number 807. I could run security queries if I wanted to know, okay, who is that doctor? I'm just going to look up here. Dr. Ishan Houghton, that's who it was. And he's a primary care doctor. So what was procedure 99? Well, procedure 99 was somebody being put on a ventilator. So that makes sense that it was just a primary care doctor, pretty basic procedure there. Okay, and then the last table that I have in this database is the needed by table, which relates patients and the procedures that they need. As you'll see, the patient was 648, starting their social security number, had 3 procedures, and they had a tough time at the hospital, and you could run some queries to find this out, but I'll just show you. So they were in, this patient, 648, is Fatima McGee. She's covered, so don't be worried about the bill on this person. She was here from November 1st to the 2nd, but in those 2 days, just with the broken foot, she had a couple surgeries. They were all foot surgery. So here it is. This was hers. She had 3 foot surgeries in those 2 days. But don't worry, she came out alive each time and she's covered. So yeah, that's the hospital database. I'll stop sharing so you can see my face one last time. Yeah, that's the Weenie Hut General Hospital database. This database is pretty simple, but you can see how just adding a couple more attributes can make this pretty effective in being used in an actual hospital. But yeah, that's all I got. So thanks for listening and have a good one.